select the indoor radio button and submit the form. The form data for the button is based on its name and value attributes. Since your radio buttons do not have a value attribute, the form data will include the indoor-outdoor on, which is not useful when you have multiple buttons. Add a value attribute to the radio buttons. For convenience, set the button's value attribute to the same value as its ID attribute. Wow. Oh my god. Add a value attribute to the bot radio. Okay. Input type. Add the value of this. Add the value attribute to both the radio buttons. For inconvenience, set the button's value attribute to the same value as the ID attribute. Okay, so the value is going to be a sense of ID for this radio is indoor. That means our value is going to be indoor. That right here. Okay. Create another value. Give it outdoor. Check it. Oh, thank you. I had the feeling that wasn't going to work. It did work. Okay, step 52. The field set element is used to group related inputs and labels together in a web form. The field set elements are block level elements, meaning that they appear on a new line. Next, the indoor and outdoor radio buttons within a field set element, and don't forget to indent the radio buttons. Next, the indoor and outdoor radio buttons in a field set element. Okay, I think I got it now. Close this.
What the dog doing?
This right here. It should go. Alright. Step 53. The legend elements acts as a caption for the content in the field set elements. It gives users context about what they should enter into that part of the form. Add a legend element with the text. Is your cat an indoor or outdoor cat? Above both of the radio buttons.
What the dog doing?
Right. Legend. Legend element. Copy this text.
What the dog doing?
set elements directly below the current field set elements. Later, I'm going to create another field set element.
What the dog doing?
New form. Check it. Good. On to step 55. Alright, step 55. Step 55 says add a legend element with the text what's your cat's personality inside the second field set element. Create another legend. Close this. This text. Put it inside the legend element. Bingo. Looks good. I want to see how it looks on the phone. What's your cat personality? Wow, looks good. Next challenge. Step 56. Step 56 says forms commonly use checkboxes for questions that may have more than one answer. The input element with a type attribute sets to checkbox creates a checkbox. Under legend element just added, add an input with its type attributes to checkbox and its text sets to loving. Create another input element that uses a checkbox under this legend element. Type sets to checkbox. Set the text. What's this? This is right here. See, look at the form. Good. Oh my god. Oh, the input element for checkbox should have an open tab on my closing tab. Okay. If it does that, that means it's supposed to work like this. Oh my god. Yeah, good. Alright. Step 57. Add an ID attribute with the value logging to the checkbox input. What? Give it an ID. We're going to set to logging. Good. Step 58. Wow. Holy moly. Step 58 says there's another way to associate an input element text with the element itself. You can nest the text within a level element and add a for attribute with the same value as the input element's id attribute, given an input element as below. Yeah, that didn't make sense, but let's check out the example. Example says the input id is breakfast, type is radio, email value breakfast. Okay. An example of a label element with associated with label element that is associated to this input element is label for breakfast. I don't understand, but I'll still work with it. Associate the text loving with the checkbox by nesting only the text loving in a label element and giving it an appropriate for attribute. We'll associate this text loving by nesting only the text. Are you trying to search through this? Please put this. Okay, this is right here. Close this. Okay, 4. Is that correct? Okay, correct. The other image should have the text. Basically, you already did. Then just to decide input. Oh god. Wow. Jesus. Wow. Oh my god. Associate the text lobby with a checkbox by nesting only the text lobby in a label element and giving it an appropriate for attribute. Label for. Get this. Try again. Okay, that one label. Let's try that. Listen here. Check it. The label text movie should only be inside your new label elements. Make sure you can notify the text outside your elements. The label text should be only inside your new label. Try this. Nothing. Crazy. Okay. Still don't get why I'm not getting this. Yes, it worked. Finally, I was on track. Okay. So, step 59. Add the name attributes with the value personality to the checkbox. API elements. When you will notice this in the browser doing it. This makes it easier for a server to process your web form, especially when there are multiple checkboxes. Personality. Good. Step 60 says add another checkbox after the one you just added. Add another checkbox after the one you just added. That's one. Checkbox. Okay. ID attributes. Value should be lazy. The ID attribute should be lazy. And the name attribute value would be the same as the last checkbox. Personality. Hope I spelled that correctly. Alright. Also, add a label element.
What the dog doing?
Great. A label element to the right. The new checkbox will detect lazy. Okay. Make sure to associate the label elements with the new check.
What the dog doing?
With the new checkbox using the full attributes. Or lazy. Check. Good.
What the dog?
Alright, that's all everyone. See you next time. Have a great day. Bye.